Hello everyone, today I will show you my homework file number 6. First, let's look at the original question. The task is find a homogeneous transformation matrix of AI. When explaining conclusions must be shown in detail. The formula given for AI is RZ rho tz dt x a r x alpha. Our goal is to calculate this multiple step by step. Before calculation, let's review what a homogeneous transformation matrix is. In robot nematics, we use it to describe where a rigid body is and how its flashing. It's a 4 multiplied 4 matrix with this form. This. Here is a 3 multiplied 3 rotation submatrix, and P is a 3 multiply 1 translation. This multiply help us change points or vectors from one coordinator system to another. Next, let's recall two important rotation multiples. The first one is Rx alpha. It's for rotating a body around the x-axis by an angle alpha is from this. The second one is RZ phi. It's for rotating around the z-axis by an angle phi. Its form is this. Now let's look at translation multiples. They move a body without rotating it. TXA is for moving along the x-axis by a distance alpha. Its form is this. TZD is for moving along the z-axis by a distance d. Its form is this. Now let's start calculating the AI matrix. We follow the order of matrix multiplication, right to left. First, we calculate M1 is this. First, write down the two multiples Rx alpha and the TXA. Now multiply them for mathematical multiplication. Each element in the result matrix is the dot product of a row from the first matrix and a column from the second matrix. Let's compute step by step. Row 1 for text alpha multiply column 1 for of Rx alpha 4 multiply 4. The is 1. This is we do this for all rows and concludes. Finally, we get the M1. Next, we calculate M2 is TZDMY. First, write down the two matrices. M1 from the last step is this, TZD as before is this. Now multiply them. Let's take row 3 of TZD and multiply column 4 of M1 as an example. Is 0 multiply A and 0 multiply 0 plus 1 multiply 0 plus D multiply 1 is D. After calculate our element, we get M2 is this. Now, let's do the final step. Calculate AI is RZ5 M2. First, write down the two multiples. RZ5 is this, M2 is this. You multiply them, let's compute some key element is this. After calculate our element, we get the final Connors transformation matrix AI is this. Let's summarize the whole process to find AI. We follow the three main steps. Calculate M1 TXA multiply RXR. First, rotate around the x-axis line, then translate along x. Calculate M2 is TZD multiply M1, then translate along Z. Calculate AI is RZ5 multiply M2, finally rotate around Z. A very important rule here is multiplication order, right to left. Each matrix has a clear meaning. R matrix are for rotation. T matrix are for translate. Also, when calculating, we must be careful with trigonometric functions like cos and sine to avoid mistakes. This is all my answer. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.